Welcome back to our series on plant hormones. Today we are diving deep into the final chapter on gibberellins, exploring how they work, their key roles in plants, and their amazing applications in agriculture, ready to unlock the secrets of plant growth. Let's get started. So, how exactly does gibberellin or GA tell a plant to grow? It's a fascinating story of relief of repression. Imagine a car with its brake pedal constantly pressed down. GA's job isn't to hit the gas. It's to release the brake. In plants, the brakes are proteins called DELLA proteins. These DELLAs actively block genes that are responsible for growth. Here's how GA lifts the foot off the brake. First, the GA molecule binds to its receptor, a protein called GID1. This binding changes GID1E's shape, allowing it to grab onto a DELLA protein. This newly formed GA-GID1 DELLA complex is a signal for destruction. The cell tags the DELLA protein for disposal, and it gets broken down by the cell's recycling machinery, the 26's proteasome. With the DELLA brake gone, the growth genes are finally free to be expressed, and the plant can get on with its business of cell elongation, germination, and flowering. So remember, GA promotes growth by getting rid of the things that stop it. Scientists figured this out by studying some interesting plant mutants you might have heard of dwarf plants in peas, maize, or Arabidopsis. Many of these plants are short because they either can't make enough GA or can't respond to it properly. When scientists spray GA onto a dwarf plant that has a defect in making the hormone, something magical happens, it grows to a normal height. This was a huge clue, proving GA's direct role in stem elongation. Without GA, plants are often extremely short, their seeds won't germinate, and they struggle to flower. This leads us to the many physiological roles of gibberellins. Their most famous job is promoting stem elongation. GA causes cells to expand, literally stretching the plant taller. This is why spraying GA on rosette plants like cabbage can make them bolt or rapidly shoot up a flower stalk. Next up is seed germination. GA is the wake-up call for dormant seeds. In grains like barley, the embryo releases GA, which travels to a special layer called the aleuron. There, it triggers the production of an enzyme called α-Amylase. This enzyme is a starch buster. It breaks down stored starches into simple sugars, providing the energy the tiny seedling needs to burst forth and grow. Gibberellins also influence flowering, especially in plants that need long days or a cold period to bloom. They can act as a substitute for these environmental cues, tricking the plant into flowering. They also play a role in fruit development. Ever wondered how seedless grapes get so big and plump? You can thank GA. Spraying it on grapevines leads to larger berries and looser clusters, which is great for preventing rot. It's also used to increase the size of apples and citrus fruits. Finally, GA is essential for healthy pollen, ensuring it can germinate and grow properly to fertilize the ovule. Because of these powerful effects, gibberellins are a superstar in agriculture and horticulture. Besides making bigger, seedless grapes, GA is used to increase the yield of sugarcane by making the stalks longer, which is where the sugar is stored. It helps break seed dormancy in crops, ensuring uniform germination, and it's crucial in the malting industry for beer production. By adding GA to barley, brewers can speed up the production of α-Amylase, converting starch into the fermentable sugars needed to make brews. From making plants taller to brewing beer, gibberellins are truly one of nature's most versatile tools, and that's a wrap on our deep dive into gibberellins. We've seen how they work by removing repressors and their vital roles from seed to fruit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant science content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.